What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in once again to our Clumsy Dash YouTube channel.
3rd and goal for the Vikings.
It's Thursday night. It's a weird night. It's a weird night, especially for high school football. I say that because high school football is supposed to be played on a Friday night.
There is a flag on the play. There is a flag on the play.
They got one on the Thursday night tonight.
Flag against the Vikings, holding against the Vikings.
And I'm here.
The Vikings back, still
I always said,
and goal.
after my son was murdered, that I would never come back to a high school football game. There's no reason to. Why would I? They took the one away that I wanted to come see all the time. And that hurt. I was looking forward to him playing college football. I just knew that he would excel. He would do great. But that was robbed from me on June 10th. So I said, I was about to cuss, but I said, screw football. So I said, screw football. But I have to admit, on this journey that I've been on, I hope y'all like that skydiving video.
Was successful.
But from that journey that I've been on,
Rodney Harris Jr.
I've been looking for things that I love. And I love high school football. I'm here with my cousin today.
Extra point on the way.
Flip the camera. Say what's up, cuz.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Timeout, Princeton.
At a high school football game. So the reason why this video is so big, right? This is the last place where I saw my son play. The last place. Colerain Fairfield. 2019. Fairfield 9-0 going fifth. Well, they was 9-1 at the time because they lost to Colerain. I still think they was robbed, but they lost to Colerain. But they got to get revenge on them at this field in the playoff game. And if you know the story, Fairfield didn't win. This is the last place where my son played his last game. So it's only fitting that I come back here. It's been bittersweet. I'm out here watching my little cousin, number 9 for Princeton. You know, Princeton was a big rival with Fairfield that year too. That don't even matter about the rivalries. It's just about just coming back to a place where my son played the last game of his life.
And the extra point is good by number 46.
And just enjoying it,
Cole Walker.
Enjoying it for him and
with
enjoying
16
it for
seconds
me.
in the second quarter, your Princeton Vikings 28,
So,
Anderson Raptors 17.
Good. See my cousin over there. Hey,
Ladies
Mike!
and gentlemen, at halftime, we will have the
You're
showdown
the high school football
kickoff.
game, so hey, this is
Don't
just
leave your
casual.
seats at
You
halftime.
know?
We will have the showdown
But like I
kickoff.
say, long story short, man, I'm back to the place where my son played his last game. I'm so happy I did it. I'm so happy it's done. And guess what? This won't be the last high school football game that I attend. This one was tough though. But I'm glad that I did it. So I'm gonna get back into the game. But I like to say once again, like I do always, long live number 6, Antoine D'Angelo Hill Jr.
What up, girl? What's going on, girl?
Get out, conquer your fears, live your life, and find things to do that you love. Peace.